Okay, so I'm here at a pool that we installed 20 years ago. Have a look, folks. It is just beautiful. It's a little bit dirty, but as you can see, the client has a pretty fancy vacuum. So I just wanted to, make a quick video just to show you the quality of workmanship that we bring to these homeowners and yourself year in and year out. Okay, so this client was luckily enough to enjoy this pool for the past, I guess, 20 years now. Is it now, pretty much? So, if you're looking for a custom pool, we can do that for you. And we can do them super cheap, even like really super small. And in some cases, we can come in and install a pool in less than a day. You got these really cool fiberglass ones these days. They come in and crane it right over top of your house, and bing, bang, boom, it's a one-day installation. So if you're looking for a quote for a pool, make sure you click on the link below and ask us at Gitano Renovations for a quote.